we're going to make some cute cryptid cards inspired by common cryptid folklore in the US. We've got Bigfoot. He says, sending you big birthday wishes. We've got the Chupacabra, who says, have a fantastic birthday. The Yeti, are you Yeti for another year? Mothman, wow, those candles are bright. And today we are going to make Nessie, the fifth cryptid in this series, and they're all birthday cards, but of course you can write or type your own message in the banner before you print it out. The sayings are made with print and cuts, and for the Nessie card I made today, I actually used my heat foil pens from Silhouette. If you have watched some of my other tutorials that I've done recently, you'll know that I got these for Christmas and I have absolutely fallen in love with them. So this video is not sponsored by Silhouette, but if you would like to get yourself some Silhouette goodies, feel free to use my code ByCatherineSpencer, all one word, at checkout. It'll give you an extra 5% off. And the first thing we're going to do to make this card is we are going to make the actual box. So you'll put the backing on, and you'll want those tabs on the back. Otherwise, they are going to mess up the illusion of your shadow box. And the nice thing about this card is the tabs are specifically sized to where you don't have to guesstimate or measure anything. So you'll take the one with the longest tab first, which is the Nessie, and you push it till it hits that back, as you can see. It hits the back, and we know it's exactly where it needs to be. We just line it up with the bottom of the card, and you can see it does perfectly. You don't even have to think about it, and we'll repeat that process for the other two inserts. And you'll notice that I fold the card completely flat to make sure that it still folds flat, because you want to be able to fit it in an envelope to mail. And now that we have that together and all of our edges pressed down so we know it's not going to come apart, let's go ahead and make our Nessie. And for all of these cryptids, I used googly eyes because I thought they were such a fun addition, but the cut file does include just a regular eye if you would rather do that. And I should have probably glued Nessie down to her insert before I glued it in, but since I did glue those insert in first, we're just going to slip it in there. It will still work this way, but for your reference, it might be easier to do the Nessie on top and then glue that insert in. And now we're going to put together the birthday banner. Super simple, just 3 pieces. Well, I guess 4. And I am going to use pop dots to adhere this banner. And there it is, all created. It will fold flat, it will stand up, and it will just be a fun addition to someone's birthday. And here are all of the cards again. Let me know your favorite in the comments. I would love to know which one your favorite is. And again, I love the googly eyes. But thank you so much for creating with me today. I would love to see you again soon, and don't forget to check out these cards on the Silhouette Design Store. Bye, and happy creating.